Paymo is a popular accounting software, but before you pull the trigger on purchasing, there are a few key things you need to know. In this video, we'll cover 12 essential points to help you decide if Paymo is right for you and how it compares to other accounting tools in the market. First off, Paymo excels at simplifying project management and time tracking, which sets it apart from many competitors. If you're a freelancer or small business owner who needs an integrated solution for both accounting and project management, Paymo's combination of features could be what you're looking for. Next, Paymo is known for its ease of use. It doesn't have the steep learning curve that some of the more complex software like QuickBooks or Xero might throw at you. With a simple interface and easy-to-navigate tools, Paymo is great for those who don't want to spend too much time on the software itself. The third thing to know is Paymo's time tracking capabilities. If you're billing clients hourly or need detailed reports for your work, Paymo's built-in time tracker is an asset. This feature stands out compared to some accounting platforms that only offer basic timesheet functions. The fourth thing to note is that Paymo offers invoicing features, but it's not as advanced as what you might find in tools like FreshBooks. While Paymo can create and send invoices, it lacks some of the customization and automation options that other accounting software offers, like automatic recurring invoices. The fifth thing is the mobile app. Paymo's mobile app is functional, but not as feature-rich as other apps like QuickBooks or Zoho Books. If you're constantly on the go and need a full mobile accounting suite, Paymo might fall short. Next, Paymo provides strong collaboration features, which is a big plus for teams. You can share tasks, track time, and even add comments within the app, making it easier for everyone to stay on the same page. This is a major advantage over standalone accounting tools that don't offer these types of team features. The seventh point is about integration. Paymo integrates with several tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and QuickBooks, but it doesn't have as many integrations as larger accounting platforms. This could be a downside if you rely on a wide variety of apps for your business operations. Another thing to consider is the pricing. Paymo offers a free plan, but it's limited in terms of features. For a more robust experience, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. However, when compared to competitors like FreshBooks or QuickBooks, Paymo tends to be more affordable, especially for smaller teams or solo entrepreneurs. Moving on, Paymo's reporting is fairly basic. While it does provide essential reports like expense tracking and time logs, it doesn't offer the depth or flexibility of competitors like Xero or QuickBooks when it comes to financial reporting and analytics. If you need complex reports or advanced forecasting, you might want to look elsewhere. The 10th thing to consider is customer support. Paymo offers support through email and live chat, which is decent, but it can be a bit slow. If you're used to the 24/7 support that comes with other software like FreshBooks or QuickBooks, Paymo may leave you wanting more. Next, Paymo is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, but it may not be the best choice for larger enterprises. As your business grows and your needs become more complex, Paymo might struggle to keep up with things like multi-currency transactions and enterprise-level reporting. The 12th and final point is Paymo's overall reputation. It's a solid option for freelancers, small businesses, and project-based teams, but it may not be the perfect fit for everyone. If you're specifically looking for more advanced accounting features or scalability, you might want to explore alternatives like Xero or QuickBooks. Overall, Paymo is a good accounting option if you're looking for a user-friendly solution with project management and time tracking features. But if you want something with more advanced financial tools, consider checking out our recommended solution, which offers a free trial for you to test out.